A is equal to 2 comma 2, B is equal to 5 comma 2. Now B is center, draw one circle, and D at the point D and A the center, draw one circle, intersect point C, here intersect point D. Now discuss about sets A minus B, B minus A, A union B and A intersection B. Now here one point is there, A minus B and B minus A and A union B and A intersection B. Now put the one point here, A intersects one point, so red color is visible. This is called A intersection B. Now again A union B, green color, total A union B. Now B minus A and next A minus B is called. So this is called A minus B and B minus A is A union B and A intersection B. So simple, sets A minus